Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm starting from this. Actually I'm getting the water in a cup for the painting, and this water is good, not as a tap water. It's not temporary water. And um, let me start. So today I will not talk too much. I will just do my work. So watch it, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel, and keep watching on. I'm using cobalt blue. Actually, sorry, this is not cobalt. This is Persian blue, and I'm wiping my knife because I have to change the color with the same knife. Uh, and today I'm gonna do the next other another experiment. Sorry for my language. um, Today I will make some patches also, and I will not use full canvas. I will use a little space for the texture in the last of the video. You can watch it. So let me put the colors on the right place where I want to make the same patches. Okay, so let's mix the colors with the knife, painting knife, and this abstract painting will be more beautiful as I hope. And keep watching on. Uh, I wanted to mix as a red and blue and purple effect, but after looking this, I decided to use a little bit yellow color. But before that, uh, I took too much colors on the canvas, so I decided immediately to replicate another canvas. Okay, so let me do this. But wait. I wanted to mix these colors with the brush, so I may do this later. Watch it. These effects are looking good, but why should I waste the color? So I decided to use another color immediately on the spot time. Okay, during this time, I'm gonna opening this cover, actually wrapper of this canvas, and these both are same size canvas, and I'm just putting over it, and colors are still wet, and that layers are very thick, so this is very easy to replicate on the blank canvas. And giving a little pressure over it to replicate maximum uh, things on both the canvas equally. So this is ready now, and this is ready to paint with the brush. A little patches required here, and this canvas I'm using to the painting. But to go ahead, I need to use lemon yellow color, and these acrylic tubes are very easy to put down on the canvas. So uh, I'm just going ahead with the brush, but before it, the same color on the canvas is required. And again replicating both the colors, both the sides of the canvas. So now equally distributed colors are there, and these are ready to use can ready to use the brush over it to make some patches. So that is I'm doing now. And the same thing I need to do on the another canvas, because if I wait for the another video, so it will be dry, and patches will not be happen, cannot be created on the canvas. So that's why I'm doing it right now. Okay, so last night I used to mix both the canvas colors, and this layer is completely dried now, so I can uh, use another. I can do the another layer, and that will be final layer of this artwork. And in the beginning, I told you to make a little uh, a little textures on the canvas in this painting particularly, and another one also I will do in the next video. But I want to say that this painting will be just opposite contrast of the last all paintings, because in this painting the lightest colors layer, the lightest tone is just over all the layers, and in last paintings it was just opposite. Okay, so I wanted to see that if a lightest tone is over all the layers, and we make some textures, and through these textures, how the look of the previous layers colors will appear. So I think it will be good, it would be very good and fine, and I found it same. Let's see how I'm doing. I'm just merging the um, margins of the outline of these strokes, so you can't find out where is the outlines, and there will be a smooth texture, and a smooth changing of the texture to the patches, and I'm again using my normal kitchen knife to make the textures on this acrylic abstract painting. And this abstract painting is awesome as I see. And what do you think after watching the full video? Please comment and share something to me. How are you feeling after watching this video and this new experiment by me? And let me tell you about this painting. This abstract painting is just on 12 by 12 inches canvas, and textures are as it is as in my previous videos and previous paintings. There's no change, but the change is about the contrast of the colors, and the layers. Finally, this artwork is going to be finished, and please subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with my artistic works. Like, comment and share.